Tuesday, January 19th. 3 trains leaving the station today. We had the Fay train. 2 hours. Next stop, Martivale. Choo 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 choo. We have the No Fay train. 2 hours. Next stop, Martivale. Choo 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 choo. And we have the new VIP sponsored Cloud Express Silver Bullet Money Train. Leaving the station, 150 miles an hour. 1 hour. Next stop, Martivale. Choo 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 choo. With VIP seating. Step this way, gentlemen. In seat number 1, with his continued donations and support of the channel. You know who it is. It's Claude. Claude, the one-man support team of the Bandit. Thanks, Claude. Much appreciated. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, make a donation, support the channel, and meet Claude on the silver sponsored Express Bullet Money Train in the VIP section. Claude's the man. Bandits recap show for Monday, January 18. Didn't go well. Started out early bird special, 2-unit play on NC Wilmington, 69.72. Next stop, minor setbackville, loser. Bandit with the 2 units NBA play, Houston, Chicago. Bandit on Houston, 120-125. Minor setbackville, loser. Hockey flip a coin, Philly. Lucky coins on Philly, loser. 4-2, 4-2 loser, Philly. NBA, Orlando, New York. Bandits on Orlando. Next stop, minor setbackville, loser. 4 stops, minor setbackville, 2-unit losses. What a bad day. Let's finish this recap show. Wyoming versus Air Force. 77-58. Blowout winner, Wyoming. Next stop, Martivale. Choo 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 choo. Bandit with the winner. What's that? 1-4. St. Joe's versus LaSalle. Bandit on LaSalle. 90-83 winner. Next stop, Martivale. Choo 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 choo. Money train's rolling. 2-4. NHL guy. Bandits NHL guy. Called it. Must-win game. Columbus Blue Jackets 3-2 winner. Choo choo. Next stop, Martivale. 3-4. St. John's versus Connecticut. Bandit on St. John's. Plus 4 points. First half. 35-32. Connecticut, 3 points. Winner, next stop, Martivale. What's that? 4-4. We're 4-4 now on Bandit's losing day. This is a losing day for Bandit. Next up, West Carolina versus Samford. First half, 45-25, Samford blowout winner. Next up, Moneyville. What's that, 5-4? All right, 5-4 Bandit on a losing day. Let's see, Florida State, Louisville. Bandit playing over 141 points, 78-65, 143 points. Next stop, Moneyville. Can the Bandit get a choo-choo? Choo-choo, choo-choo. What's that? 6-4? Oh, okay. Wyoming versus Air Force. Bandit on Wyoming. 78-58, 77-58. Winner. Next stop, Moneyville. Choo-choo, choo-choo. 7-4. 7 stops, Moneyville. 4 stops, Minor Setbackville. On a losing day. That's a losing day. And all 100% free. Did you take out your credit card? Did you make a phone call? Did you call? Give your credit card number? Expiry date? Did you pay $100 for the weekend package deal? Nope. 100% free. And the Bandits 3-0 the last 3 days prior on 4-unit lock of the day place. 3-0. All 100% free. Be sure to like, subscribe, click the bell icon, make a donation, support the channel. It's good karma. Just ask Claude. He's swimming in good karma today. All right. Tuesday, January 19th. Early bird special. NC Wilmington versus Towson. Bandits playing. NC Wilmington full game money line. NC Wilmington full game money line. Early bird special. Money maker out. Choo choo.